The next method of mounting is using a hydraulic press, which is suitable for small and medium-sized bearings up to 80mm bore diameter. Select suitable pressing plates that will contact the inner ring and clear the shaft. Apply a little anti-corrosive paste to the shaft. Set up the work in the press in such a way that the shaft, bearing and dolly are aligned straight under the press ram. Carefully apply pressure and observe the progress of the bearing as it moves onto its mounting. Keep a watchful eye on the pressure gauge. Stop when you notice the pressure rises. Release the pressure and support the work. Check to see that the bearing is now fully installed against its abutment. This can be checked using a thin feeler blade. Now it's time for you to practice installing a bearing using a hydraulic press. Ask your instructor or course controller to assist you if you're not fully familiar with your workshop's hydraulic press.